This is Brian's off-grid caretaker's cottage. Now, after a few complaints, I thought I'll come down and suss out what's going on. One morning I saw something no one should, or no animal should. Anyway, having worked with them before, I got onto Global Solar Solutions to deck him out. Ryan came out and assessed Brian's system and quickly realised it was built around the same era as the notorious Australian emu war. Doing what they do best, they designed and installed a brand new system for Brian. This new setup utilises Sungrow's latest and complete off-grid battery configuration, featuring a robust 12.8 kWh lithium battery bank and 16 415 watt phono dual glass solar panels, all seamlessly integrated with Tego optimizers. Since the installation, Brian has enthusiastically shared that he has never been happier. Even the local wildlife are stoked they don't have to witness any more of Brian's nude escapades in the morning. Whether you're in the market for batteries or just solar panels, Global Solar Solutions can take you off-grid or simply set you up to conserve your current solar power for nighttime use. It's the perfect time to get in touch with the team at Global Solar Solutions.